In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable lighting in object mode and edit mode in Blender. So if you go here to to world properties, and you have a color, right? Now if you click here, you will not see the world color, right? So you just have to click here to expand this, and here select both of this. Now you have this color, because I was watching some tutorials in the past, and they were showing how you can, add this color, change the colors, and then I would see that in their tutorial they would have this render or render or this here shading and render preview, or both of this, like you could be able to, you would see this color, right? So I didn't see anything, so I was just wondering to myself, how can I enable this? So I found that's the solution. So I decided to create this tutorial. I hope it's gonna help you, and I hope it's gonna save you some time. That's my main goal here. I want to save you time. I want you to help you, because I know sometimes you all you need when you're searching for something, just a 1 minute tutorial that is just giving you the solution, right? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and take care.